Hey everybody, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You guys want to see that full skid plate? This is the HMW option from the factory. I'm going to climb under the machine, give you that look of it. So on the bottom side, from all the way to the front, you can see that extra protection. Very nice skid all the way back. All of the hardware is recessed. You got that tongue and groove at the seams, if you will, and goes all the way back. So on the four-seater, you've got the rear piece. There's two panel pieces. You can see the seam there, and then that smaller front section. So four-piece for the four-seater. Integrates into those sides really well. Great protection. You hop up here and go around the back. Very nice and thick. Goes all the way to the back. Follows the contours really well. Let's go up front. All the way to the front. Looks good. Great job, Kawasaki. 435-427-3338.